Hi guys, today we will show you how to remove interior panels in the back of Volvo XC40. We'll show you how to remove this big panel, remove this panel. This will give you access to the speaker, this one as well, and we'll show you how to remove this panel in the back. On each side you will see these springs, so you have to undo it this way. And one more on this side, same idea. Now this will allow you to lift it up like this. You guys can also remove these upper two sections by removing these clips. Just pry them open with a screwdriver, but we'll try to remove it with all three pieces. So the way to do it is to approximately at this angle you have to pull towards yourself. And you have to pull hard. Repeat it on the other side the same way. And then it will come out. This piece that you can see right here goes inside this hinge. You have to lift it up approximately this far, because otherwise if you do it flat, you'll see this plastic piece that goes inside and will hold it in place. So again, you have to lift it up approximately like this and then pull towards yourself. Now we will remove the jack and the spare tire. Now we can remove the plastic panel next to the seat belt. Just slide it towards yourself. There are three clips that hold it in place. Next we will remove this bolt. You'll need to use 8mm socket. And then you can remove the next plastic panel, lift it up. There will be two clips that hold it in place. The next panel that we have to remove is this side one. You have to pull it towards yourself. And we have again a few clips. 1, 2, 3, 4 that hold it in place. Some clips may be left here, so you have to pull it out. Now we need to remove this panel. These are the clips that hold it in place. One in the middle, and on the top you have these hooks, and because of that you have to start pulling from the bottom. Behind this plastic panel you will see the seat belt tensioner right here, and this is a rear speaker, and this will be the way to access it if you guys want to replace them at some point. And this is, by the way, our FitCam-X rear camera cable, which we installed in our previous video. I will leave a link for that in the description as well. Now we will need to remove this protective trim piece. There will be one bolt underneath, so we'll use the trim removal tool to pry it open. And this is how it looks. As you can see, we have small clips that hold it in place. And this is how it looks underneath. We will need to remove both of them. will use 8mm socket to remove 4 bolts, 2 on the top and 2 on the inside. Now we can remove this plastic panel. Just lift it up. Now we can remove the next plastic panel, again 8mm socket. There are 3 bolts that hold it in place, and as you can see, after that you will be able to remove it completely. And this is how it looks. Now we'll start to remove this big piece of trim. Behind you will see a number of connectors. There is one right here. This one provides the light. This one is for the 12-volt socket. This is how it looks. This is the number. The removal of the panels on the other side will be very similar. You'll have to remove this plastic piece first, and then you'll be able to remove the rest of them. Well, of course you have to start from the top. Here, by the way, we have the slot for the SIM card, in case if you guys don't know. This is the SIM card right here. Now it's time to reinstall all our panels and trim. We'll start with this big one. As you may remember, we have a couple of connectors that need to be connected here. Now we will install this plastic panel. As you can see, it goes partially underneath the previous panel, and this is how it looks. Reinstall the bolts. Now this panel will go first to the top, where you have those anchors. And when you guys install this panel, you have to make sure that the belt is loose. Also guys, you have to take a look at the clips from here. You will see a couple right away. Currently they're not aligned properly, so you'll have to actually lift this panel up a little bit. And it's hard to show you, but you will also be able to see more clips on this level. There's one right there. Again, basically you have to visually inspect it first, and then push this panel a little bit up, and then it will go in. So the black clip is now in, and yeah, now both of them are in. Again, this is important, this way you guys don't break them. This is the next panel. It has 4 clips.
So before you put this part, make sure this is no gap, it's actually aligned perfectly. And
Torque for this bolt is 4.5 Newton meters. And the last piece right here. Now we can install this panel. And again guys, torque is 4.5 Newton meters.